This is JC Street Custom. In this episode, I'm going to take this engine that we've already got going here, and we're going to install this transmission, and we're going to install it into the case.
If you say so.
To install the transmission, we need to install these bearing plate holders, and we need to install the race bearing. The race bearing goes right here. To install the race bearing, we need to pre-freeze the race bearing, so put it in your freezer for when you're ready to install.
You do nothing that I say.
We have to use the bearing driver on the case. To do that, we need to set it up so we can pound the race bearing in place. You need backing so that way you don't damage the case.
Don't worry, Scrub.
You want backing so the case doesn't flex. So I found this 1x2 piece of wood. I'm gonna cut it so I can make some backing.
Groovy.
We also need an extension because this isn't long enough. So I found this old jack handle. I'm going to use it to make an extension to pound down the race bearing. So what you want to do is set your race bearing in. We want to set them in so it goes down in straight. It has to go in straight. Hit straight down on the race bearing. You just want to keep hitting it down until it becomes flush. Okay, our race bearing is installed. Now we just have to install the holder clips.
That's the way it is.
Okay, now that we have our race bearing in place, we need to install the race bearing holder plates and bolts. Now that the bearing holder plates are installed, we can install the transmission.
I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude.
So we need to get Molly B denim all over the gears.
A few moments later.
So now we're going to install the transmission. We're just going to give it some light taps, making even pressure. It's turning.
Congratulations, you're stupid in 3 languages.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Well, what are we gonna do with it?
We're going to secure the transmission with the transmission bolts. Transmission bolts require no thread lock. Okay, all these bolts, according to the manual, are supposed to be 15 foot-pounds of torque.
Alright, I'll give it a try.
So we'll start
There is no try.
in one location. So we'll start at 12 o'clock, and then we'll go opposite to 6, and then we'll go opposite to that to 3, opposite to that to 9. Then we'll start at 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Excuse me. I have to go.